Hi, Barbara Ann Mojica, aka Little Miss History, with you for another session of the 2-Minute Teacher. How to set up a mini lesson in just a couple of minutes. Today's lesson is Winter Mad Libs. And this lesson will encourage your child to be creative in his or her writing while following prompts and using the correct part of speech to complete the story. The materials that we will need are 2 templates from thriveathomecentral.com, some pens or pencils, some crayons or markers, and you may also want to refer to the internet if the child needs additional instruction on understanding the parts of speech. Now, here is the first part of the template, Winter Wonderland Fun. And this is what the child is going to use to create the Mad Lib. The other part of your resources, Word Helper Guide. Now this guide is going to review with your child the parts of speech that are going to be included in the Mad Libs. So you are going to have definitions like what is an adjective, what is a noun, what is a plural noun, what is a verb, and so on. Now if your child gets stuck and still needs help, you can refer to the internet for help on that particular part of speech. Now, once you have that basis established, you're going to ask the child to complete the Mad Lib, and I'll just read a part of it so you get an idea. It was a cold and blank needs an adjective. Winter day, when my friends and I decided to blank outside and play. That requires a verb. Encourage your child to use specific and directed parts of speech. So don't keep using the same old word. Encourage your child to think and extend vocabulary. Now, when your child is done with the entire Mad Lib and is sure that he or she has used the corrected part of speech in each Mad Lib, ask the child to turn the paper over, to use crayons or markers, and again, creative imagination, to draw one or more scenes from the story. Hope you've had fun with this activity. That is a good one for a cold winter day. Please hit subscribe to get new teaching lessons every Friday on all different subjects, and check out my website www.littlemisshistory.com to get educational resources to benefit you and your family. Hope to see you soon. Bye now.